marketing systems. Please don't confuse systems and channels. I will tell you when we approach a system or when we approach a channel. Don't confuse this, please. Sharp. Agricultural marketing systems. We have free marketing system, number one. What is free marketing system? The definition: the producers can sell the products directly to customers at any price that they want, again, without any government interventions or government restrictions or controls. Okay, so meaning there is no government restrictions or controls. Okay, they can sell at any price that they want. Again, yeah. So the channels. So this free marketing system, no, yeah. This marketing system is the one that is going to give us the channels. Okay, the channels, farm gate, free, fresh produce. Okay, stock or auction sales, direct marketing, and internet marketing. These are the channels under the free marketing system. Know this, please. Know this. Right, sharp. Advantages of this free marketing system. Advantages: producers sell wherever they want to sell their product. Again, at their own price, again, at their own time, at their own place. So point number 2, intermediaries are eliminated, or couple of what we can say they are removed. Point number 3, consumers get good quality products due to competitors, again, forcing the sellers to supply top quality products or goods. Again, yeah, it is a must, or hey, they must supply, or otherwise competitors will show them flames. Disadvantage: there's price fluctuations because they make their own price. So you can choose, alright, today, hey, I'm making these vegetables to be 20 rand. Tomorrow they can make them 40 rand. Or what? Price fluctuations. The next day, I'm making them 10 rand. So price fluctuations. There is less bargaining power because I can get there and say, hey, I want this spinach. How much is this spinach? And the producer or the seller can say, is 20 rand. And now I can say, now I have 15 rand. Just give me one. Just give me. So it'll be like, hey, okay, just give me 15 rand. It's okay. So then they have less bargaining power because if I have 15 rand and I don't have another 5 rand, so what can I do? Because now I want spinach, so we can negotiate. Yeah, bargaining power. That's when we negotiate with the seller. So that's where the buyers negotiate with the seller. So this price is too high. Make it to be a little bit lower. Yeah, so they have less bargaining power. There is great risk. Okay, let's move on.